So you might be in a situation where for some reason your dynamic island notifications are just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, if you have an iPhone that does have the dynamic island and you notice that none of the notifications are going through, that basically there's not expanding the notification or expanding the dynamic island bar or whatever the case is, well, the way to go ahead and fix this is to first understand that not every single application out there does support the dynamic island. So most of them do, but some of them don't. So that is a big, massive thing to keep in mind. So what you want to try doing is first find the application, and if it doesn't support that dynamic island notifications, then there's not much you have to do. Now, the other thing you may want to try doing is making sure you have notifications on within those applications. So go ahead and make your way over to your iPhone settings, just like this. Go ahead and find notifications, which right here we do have this notifications panel. Go and click on it, and then we'll come into this page. Now, what we can do here is we'll basically find a bunch of other information and different things that we have. But what we want to do is within those applications that basically the notifications are not going through, you also just want to go through and essentially make sure the notifications are on for those specific devices. Because if those application notifications are not on, well, that's not going to work for you either. So you're going to have to fix that before continuing on. And that's another thing you may want to check on as well. Now, if that's still not working, you may also want to make sure you're not on Do Not Disturb mode. So swipe down from the top, not like that, but swipe down from the control center. If you're on Do Not Disturb mode, much like how I'm on Do Not Disturb mode, that can also be another reason why you're running into this problem. So just go and click there and click off of Do Not Disturb, and that's another option you have. If none of those things are working, you may want to go ahead and try either updating the applications that are not sending you the notifications, or you can also try updating your iPhone. So make your way over to your iPhone settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and that could be another thing you can try doing in order to fix this situation. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.